Pretty, Madeline's straight. That's a nice card, isn't it? Yes, thank you, darling. Thank you, Meg.
Oh, there's something else in there too.
Oh, all right. That's. Oh, we've got your painting at home. Who did that? Max.
Max is saying, get to the best bit, Grandma.
Righto. Under the bit. You ready? Ready? Yeah. Tough. Tough. Great grandmother.
Oh, shouldn't be that hard. It's only sticky tape.
Oh. Oh, what have we got there? Oh, a Black and Decker something. Doesn't look like a chainsaw, does it? We'll keep the paper. Oh, oh, wonderful. I need one from a car. You know,
Yeah, we thought you might find it handy.